Hi everybody, today I want to show you this AOSU solar powered cameras that I got. Comes with two of them, and it has its own router so that you're not susceptible to hackers on the internet. It's completely separate, and I already mounted one of them, and I'm going to continue to do the presentation in front of that camera so you can see the quality of the lens and the quality of the microphone. It comes again two of them in this box. It has the two of these. Again, I already installed one. The camera itself, right there, very small, very compact. The solar panel, plenty of cable. Again, if you want to have the solar panel on one side, the camera on the other, you have plenty of wire to connect. It has a mount for the solar panel, and it has a mount for the camera itself. You can put it on concrete, on wood, or on plastic. It comes with all the hardware you need for each camera and each mount, and obviously the manual for all the instructions and how to use it and all that. But it's very easy to set up, very easy to install. Again, I'm gonna show you now on the camera, and at the end I'll show you how I installed it. So I wanted to show you the quality of the camera and the audio. It has a 5MP camera, which is a 40% improvement on the 2K that other cameras have. And it has a microphone that you can hear from what's going on around it. And it also has a speaker so you can speak through that. It comes with a light that I'm going to turn on right now. And I think obviously it's daylight, so you can't see much of it, but I'm going to turn it off right now. And the great thing about it is that it has a solar panel, so you can use it 365 days a year. You don't have to pay for any service or anything like that. It has 32 gigabytes of memory. So it tracks the movement, and so since it has two cameras, it will have a very smooth transition of that tracking from one camera to another. So if you have a camera on one side and a camera on the other, and it's tracking what's happening in one, and it crosses then to the other one, it has a smooth transition from that from your recording. And also, as you can see, it records in color, and at night it has night vision, but also shows color. So it's really good quality. So this is the router that comes with. Very easy. You have the power that already connected to my outlet, connected right there. The Ethernet cable that also comes with it, just connect it there, and you're all set. Then you install the adapter. Then you have the solar panel right here. And the great thing is, again, you can put this at whatever angle you need it to capture the sun, whatever angle your sun is coming through. And also plenty of cable to connect as far or as close as you want to the camera. So now you have the base here for the camera, a couple screws, you install whatever you want. The base of it just clicks. And that's it. Now you have the actual camera, really nice. And take the film out. Has a sensor, and the camera itself has a light. And we're gonna put it up. And that is as easy as it can be. It didn't take me 5 minutes. So you can also put like a blaring alarm and turn on the light. I'll record the light later on as it's darker, but I'm going to turn it on right now so you can see it. There, right there, that's the light. And let me see if I can do the alarm too. And that's the alarm. It's pretty loud, as you can hear. I'm going to turn it off. So all in all, really great product. I like the alarm, like the voice. I like the quality of the screen, pretty good. So I hope that you guys find it as useful and as secure and as good quality as I am.